We're Pat and Tony from the 24 Karat Bakery. We're both, Tony's a retired attorney and I was a legal secretary, and we are retired and needed something to do because we couldn't just sit around on the couch watching television. So I had to come up with an idea, and I've always wanted to bake. So it's been a lifelong passion. So I came up with gluten-free vegan product, and each one is individually designed to be as good as it is in any kind of bakery. What I've learned is you can go to the coffee shops who are desperately looking for other products. They don't necessarily have a bakery like Panera or Starbucks. They just love to have products from bakers. And it's an excellent chance to try out your product, see what the public thinks, get a lot of feedback, so you learn a lot, you get confident talking to people. I'm proud for myself. I have a lot of gratification because each one of these products is designed by me for taste and flavor. That's what we're about, taste and flavor. And I don't care if it's gluten-free, vegan, or just general, good, excellent products that have good taste and flavor. That's really what we're about.